Volcanoes. These fiery mountains have fascinated humanity for millennia. Both creators and destroyers, volcanoes shape the Earth, provide fertile lands, and remind us of the planet's immense power. In this documentary, we'll explore the science of volcanoes, the largest eruptions in history, their cultural significance, and their current status. Join us as we take a closer look at volcanoes and explore the implications they've had on our planet throughout history. Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's crust, where magma, gases, and ash escape to the surface. This occurs because of tectonic activity, where Earth's plates move and interact, creating pressure below the surface. When this pressure is released, it results in an eruption. There are three main types of volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are broad, dome-shaped, and formed by low-viscosity lava. A prime example of a shield volcano is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Composite volcanoes, on the other hand, are steep-sided and formed by layers of lava and ash. Mount Fuji in Japan is a large, steep-sided composite volcano. Lastly, cinder cone volcanoes, small, cone-shaped, and formed by explosive eruptions. Krakatoa in Mexico is one of these cinder cone volcanoes. Volcanoes are not random. They are closely linked to tectonic plate boundaries. The Ring of Fire, a region encircling the Pacific Ocean, hosts an astonishing 75% of the world's active volcanoes. Lava, the molten rock that erupts from a volcano, originates in the Earth's mantle, where intense heat and pressure melt rock into magma. When magma reaches the surface, it becomes lava. Lava is classified into two main types based on its silica content and viscosity. Basaltic lava is low in silica. It flows easily, creating broad, shield-shaped volcanoes like those in Hawaii. Andesitic and rhyolitic lava is rich in silica. These lavas are thicker and more viscous, often leading to explosive eruptions. As lava cools, it solidifies into rock. This process creates different textures depending on the cooling rate. For instance, Pahoehoe lava forms smooth, ropey surfaces, while Ea lava hardens into rough, jagged chunks. When lava meets water, it cools rapidly, forming unique structures like pillow basalts. This interaction can also produce steam explosions, adding another layer of complexity to volcanic eruptions. The largest volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa, located in Hawaii. Rising over 3,500 feet from its base on the ocean floor, Mauna Loa is a shield volcano that has erupted 33 times since 1843. Its most recent eruption was in 2022. But hidden beneath the ocean lies an even larger volcano, namely Tamu Massif. Located in the Pacific, it spans an area the size of New Mexico, making it the largest volcano by area. Mount Tambora in Indonesia may not match Mauna Loa in size, but its eruption in 1815 is unmatched in power. This eruption released 100 cubic kilometers of material and triggered the year without a summer, affecting global climates and causing widespread famine. On a cosmic scale, Olympus Mons on Mars dwarfs all Earth's volcanoes. Rising 72,000 feet, it highlights the geological diversity of our solar system and how volcanic processes shape planetary landscapes. Some volcanic eruptions have left permanent marks on history. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 CE buried Pompeii and Herculaneum under ash, preserving these Roman cities for future discovery. In 1883, Krakatoa's eruption in Indonesia unleashed a force equivalent to 200 megatons of TNT. The eruption's sound was heard 3,000 miles away, and tsunamis claimed over 36,000 lives. The Laki eruption in Iceland caused a global climate crisis. Its prolonged eruptions released toxic gases, resulting in widespread crop failures and severe winters across Europe, Asia, and North America. In the United States, the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens was a stark reminder of nature's power. The eruption leveled 230 square miles of forest and deposited ash across 11 states. Further north, Iceland, which is known as the land of fire and ice, is home to some of the most active and iconic volcanoes on Earth. This island nation sits directly on the mid-Atlantic ridge, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates diverge, creating a hotspot for volcanic activity. In 2010, Eyjafjallajökull erupted, disrupting global air travel with its massive ash cloud. This eruption highlighted the interconnectedness of our modern world and the significant impacts of volcanic activity. Bárðarbunga, Iceland's second-largest volcano, erupted in 2014, producing one of the largest lava flows in the past 2 centuries. These eruptions remind us of the dynamic nature of Iceland's landscape and its ever-changing geology. Iceland also demonstrates how to harness volcanic energy for sustainable development. Geothermal energy powers much of the nation, providing clean and renewable electricity and heating for its people. Continuous monitoring of volcanoes like Katla and Hekla ensures that Iceland remains prepared for potential eruptions. With cutting-edge technology and a deep cultural respect for nature, Iceland serves as a model for living alongside volcanic forces. Volcanoes have inspired myths and reverence throughout history. In Hawaii, Pele, the goddess of fire, is said to reside in Kilauea, shaping the islands with her lava flows. The Romans worshipped Vulcan, the god of fire, naming volcanic activity after him. In Indonesia, Mount Merapi is central to local traditions. Ceremonies are held to honor spirits believed to reside in the volcano, seeking protection from its eruptions. Mesoamerican cultures like the Aztecs and Maya viewed volcanic eruptions as divine retribution. These civilizations integrated volcanoes into their mythology, symbolizing creation and destruction. Today, there are over 1,500 active volcanoes worldwide. Advances in technology, including satellites and seismographs, allow scientists to monitor volcanic activity more closely. Early warning systems can save lives by predicting eruptions. The Ring of Fire remains the most active volcanic zone, with frequent eruptions in countries like Indonesia, Japan, and the United States. Volcanoes such as Mount Etna, Mount Pinatubo, and Yellowstone caldera draw significant scientific and public attention. Understanding active volcanoes like Kilauea and Mount Nyiragongo is essential for mitigating risks. Collaboration between scientists and local communities ensures timely responses to volcanic threats. Volcanoes are not just viable threats, but also opportunities. Geothermal energy, heat from the Earth's interior, is a sustainable resource. Countries like Iceland lead the way, using geothermal power for nearly 30% of their energy needs. Preparedness is key when it comes to the potential threat these fiery peaks present to us. Urbanization near volcanoes increases the risk to human lives. Education, evacuation plans, and resilient infrastructure help mitigate these risks. In places like Iceland, innovative measures such as lava flow diversion have been implemented, proving humanity's ability to coexist with and adapt to volcanic forces. Volcanoes are reminders of Earth's power and resilience. They shape our landscapes, fuel our imaginations, and challenge us to adapt. By studying and respecting these giants, we can coexist with them, marveling at their beauty and power. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow us for more explorations of our incredible planet.